This is why you need to know Twitter's bird's name. Hint, it's not just a cute face. Yep, you heard that right. The little blue bird that's synonymous with tweeting and hashtags has a name, Larry. And get this, he's named after the NBA legend, Larry Bird. Twitter co-founder Biz Stone, a huge fan of the Boston Celtics, thought it'd be a fun tribute. So next time you send out a tweet, remember, you're channeling a bit of Larry Bird's legendary spirit. Cool, right? Even with all the changes on the platform from tweets to X's, Larry's legacy lives on. Who knew a simple bird could have such an iconic backstory? Like, comment, and share if you learned something new today. Follow for more fun facts and social media secrets. Stay curious and keep tweeting or Xing. See you next time.